Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Boom, boom, boom. Only darkness every day. Boom, boom, boom. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. This house ain't no home. Every time she goes away. And I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know.
I know that's right. You better know. Hey guys, welcome back to Flo's Kitchen. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you're not new, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make Poisson. That's right guys, stew fish. Now these are the ingredients that you will need for this recipe, and of course I will leave the full recipe in the description box, okay? Here you'll need some bell peppers, you'll need some scotch bonnet pepper, epis. If you haven't seen the video, go ahead and watch it. You'll need some sea salt, some sazon, olive oil, mojo seasoning, black pepper, and of course that fish. All right, guys, here's another little view of everything. All right, first step is to go ahead and clean that fish. All right, guys, here's a little trick for those who want to cut the cooking time and cleaning time in half. When you get your fish from the fish market, the best thing to do is to have them clean it as much as they can for you. That way when you get home, you don't have to worry about cleaning it too much. Have them scale it, cut the tail, cut the slice it for you. But here I'm just doing my final cleaning. As you guys can see here, they don't take off the film where I go, so I'm taking it off. And you see that little part right there? You want to snatch that off. That's nasty. Take it off, take it off. That don't need to be there. You see how it's bloody on the inside? You want to make sure any film or fatty looking thing that's inside of the fish, go ahead and tear it off. Clean it off with some lime juice and vinegar. I had my fish soaking in some salt and vinegar to help clean it and tenderize it a little bit, and it also helps me to pull off that film a little easier. So as you guys can see here, I'm just tearing it off. It's really easy to come off. You guys don't want to over process with the vinegar because the vinegar is very acidic, as well as the lime in it partially cooks it. So you don't want that. Just let it sit in there just for a little bit, about 5-10 minutes, and you can start cutting off the fat, cutting off scaling it a little bit. Take your knife and run it over the fish just like that to make sure that there is no scale over it. Now it's optional if you want to keep the head on. If you don't want to keep the head on, you can cut it off. I like to keep the fish head on. I'm weird like that. Now it's the fun part. It's time to season. I put my mojo, I put my epis, I put my sazon seasoning. As you guys know, that's my favorite seasoning, one of my favorite seasonings. You just marinate it. Let that bad boy just massage it in the epis and season it very well, guys. All right, just like so. I'm putting in my black pepper. I'm putting in my salt. I'm putting in my olive oil and just working all that epis all in there, guys. Just like so. You want to make sure you really give that fish some good loving, because this step is this is the make it or break it step. This is the step that you don't want to slack on, because you don't want your fish to turn out bland. All right, guys. Just like so. The way you see I'm putting in the marinade all inside, and then I sliced up the outside. This is a great way for the fish to get, for the seasoning to get inside of the fish. And of course, you'll let it marinate for about 30 minutes to an hour, or if you want to prep it the day before, that's good. Just like that. Make sure that seasoning get in there real good. Yep. Work it all inside of the fish. You want it to get in every part. So when you eating that fish, Even the bones is tasty. All right, just like that. Very beautiful. All right, now it's time to cook. You want to pour in some olive oil. Of course, guys, again, I will put the full description at the full recipe in the description box. All right, so here I'm going in with my olive oil, and I'm just grabbing one of those fish and let it drip a little bit, shake it off a little bit, and then I drop it in the grease just like so. Now seafood does not take long to cook, so this is very easy. Once you prep your fish, you cleaned it and marinated it, you're good. Okay, it takes no time. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, your fish will be ready to go. All right, so after you have placed both fish inside, you want to take some of that marinade and you put it over the fish. All right, just like so. And then you're doing all of this on medium to high heat. Just like that, guys. Then you want to add in the bell peppers that you sliced earlier. Just like this. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. And then you want to add about 1 cup, half a cup to 1 cup of water. All right. Remember, this is on medium to high heat. You don't want to overcook the fish. You want your fish to be nice and juicy. Okay, you don't want it to be dry. And yes, you can't overcook fresh fish. It could be falling off. You want it to be nice and yummy, nice and moist. You don't want it to be overcooked and dry. You want it nice and moist. So just as you guys can see here, put some more of that epis, drop a little butter for the finishing, and then after that you'll cover it and let it simmer for about another 10 to 12 minutes. Here I'm just going in with that butter and just covering it. You drop your scotch bonnet pepper, cover it up, and let it simmer. And there you have it, guys. Now it's time to try it. Yes, so yummy. All right, guys, that's all. That's all it takes to make poisson gotsel. And here you can pair it up with some rice, some jonjon rice. I'll be making a video on that soon. Be looking out for it. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, share, comment, engage. Let me know what recipes you'd like to see next. Bye.